how to get voice chat on Roblox. So let me show you what I mean by that. All right, let's open Roblox and make sure you have updated your Roblox. Don't forget to update. All right, just go down to more and then go to settings here, and from here go to privacy and content maturity. So now go to communication. Here, as you can see down here, there's supposed to be an option which says voice. All right, voice chat. This option is not available here. There are two ways to bring back this voice chat option. The number one option will be verifying your account. I know a lot of people don't have an ID, so there is another way, the second process, which don't need an ID. So basically two process. Let me show you the first and then I will show you the second, which don't need an ID. So go back and come to your account information. Here, as you can see, it says verify my age. So verify my age. Now start session. Now begin verification. Select your country. So I'm going to choose national ID. So as you can see, we have done our verification. So this is the first step. So what if you don't have an ID? Let me show you when you don't have an ID. So the second process is just go to help and safety and help, and from here search for voice chat. Go for the first result and then scroll down all the way down and press this. Now fill up your information here. I'm not going to do it because I'm just trying to show. After here you need to select your device. Here category how to, here how to others. Now you just need to write hello Roblox team, my voice chat option is not available, please help me to get it back. So just type this and then press continue. After 20 to 24 hours to 24 to 42 hours, your voice option will be enabled. All right, when you check here, your voice option will be enabled. All right, so as you can see, I have this now. I got this, so you can enable like this. All right, so this is the process. Now when you go play a game, you can enable your voice. So yeah, thanks for watching and have a great day.